Hello children, today I am going to teach you to find the values according to the numbers. Now here number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Now we have to find the values. Number 1 means 1. Number 2 means 2. Number 3 means 3. 4 means 4. 5 means 5. Okay. Now here some pictures are some balls here. We'll find how many balls here. 1, 2, 3. Here the first one is number 1. If I put this here 3 balls. This is number 1. If I put it here, is this correct? No. Then where's number 3? Here number 3. Here number 2. Here number 1. Here number 4. Here number 5. We have to find the number 3. Because here 3 balls are here. Now what we must do? We have to find the number 3 here and put it here. Now this is correct. 3 balls. 3 pictures. 1, 2, 3. For 3 balls. Now here number 1. We see. What is this? How many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this number? 1. Here 4 balls. Here number 2, 4 balls. Wrong. 3 finish. Now here number 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Now here number 5. Here number 4 balls here. Then we have to find number 4 for 4 balls. Now here this is number 4 balls. Right, okay. Number 4 pictures. For 4 balls. Now here for 3 balls. For 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3, 1, 2, 3. Now here number 1, number 2 and here number 5. You see, number. Here we'll see how many balls here. 1, 2. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 5. Here 2 balls. Then where's number 2? Here number 2. Here for 2 balls here. For 2 balls. Here for 3 balls. For 4 balls. 2 pictures, 3 pictures, 4 pictures. Okay. Now here number 1. Here number 5. Now we see what is this. How many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here number 1. Here number 5. For 5 balls. Okay, for 5 balls. For 5 balls. Now the first one, number 1. Here 1 ball, 1 picture. Here now 1 and 1 picture. Now here one picture, two, number two. For number two, two pictures. Here number three. For three, three pictures. Here number four. For four pictures. For five balls. Here five pictures. We'll count and see. One here, one. Two, one, two. Here number three, one, two, three. Here number four, one, two, three, four. Here number five, one, two, three, four, five. Okay. Now we know the values from 1 to 5. Next lesson I am going to teach you number 6 to number 10. Thank you for listening, children.